Once upon a time, in a cozy little town nestled between rolling hills and shimmering streams, there lived a curious cat named Whiskers. Whisker was not an ordinary cat. He had an insatiable appetite for adventure. While most cats were content with napping in the sun, Whiskers dreamed of exploring the great unknown. One sunny morning, as Whiskers longed on the windowsill, a colorful butterfly fluttered by, tempting him with its graceful dance. Without a second thought, Whiskers leaped out the window, determined to follow the butterfly wherever it led. Through the bustling streets and past the town's edge, Whiskers chased the butterfly into the dense forest. The towering trees whispered ancient secrets, and the air was thick with excitement. Despite feeling a little scared, Whiskers pressed on his whiskers, quivering with anticipation. As he ventured deeper into the wood, Whiskers encountered all sorts of creatures. A mischievous squirrel, a wise old owl, and even a friendly fox who shared tales of distant lands. With each encounter, Whiskers learned something new and felt his courage grow. As the sun began to set, the butterfly led Whiskers to the edge of the sparkling lake. Mesmerized by shimmering water, Whiskers watched as the butterfly gracefully landed on a lily pad. Suddenly, a magnificent swan glided by, inviting Whiskers to join her for a moonlit sail across the lake. With a leap and a splash, Whiskers hopped onto the swan's back, holding on tightly as they sailed through the night. They drifted past glowing fireflies and twinkling stars, and Whiskers felt a sense of wonder he had never known before. Eventually, the swan brought the Whiskers back to the edge of the forest, where the first light of the dawn painted the sky in the hues of pink and gold. Grateful for the incredible adventure, Whiskers bid farewell to the swan and butterfly, and with a heart full of memories, he made his way back home. From that day on, Whiskers continued to seek out new adventures, but he also cherished the comfort and love of his cozy home. He knew that the world was full of wonders waiting to be discovered, and he couldn't wait for his next thrilling escapade. And so, the adventurous tale of Whisker, the daring explorer cat, became legendary in the town, inspiring other furry friends to dream big and explore the world beyond their doorstep. Subscribe our channel to watch more videos.